In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a website with AI in GoDaddy. We're going to walk through the setup process from the very beginning, and I'll keep everything simple and easy to follow so you can build your site with confidence, even if this is your first time using the platform. To get started, open your GoDaddy account and sign in. Once you're inside your account dashboard, look for the section called My Products and click on it. This is where GoDaddy keeps all of the tools, services, and products connected to your account, so it's the right place to begin when you want to create a new website. After that, find the option that says Set up a free website and click it. This will take you into GoDaddy's website builder, where the AI-guided setup starts. The platform is designed to help you create a site quickly, so don't worry if you're not sure what everything means right away. Just follow each screen carefully. Next, you'll be asked to select which option applies to your business. Choose the one that best matches what you do. This helps GoDaddy understand the type of website you need and allows the AI to tailor the design and content suggestions more accurately. It's worth taking a second here to pick the closest match because this choice influences the overall direction of your website. Once you've selected that, click Create a Website. You'll then be prompted to choose what kind of website you want. For example, this might relate to the style, purpose, or category of your site. Pick the option that fits your goals best, then click Continue to move forward. On the next screen, enter your store name or business name, and then click Continue again. Make sure the name is typed the way you want visitors to see it, since this can appear as part of your website branding. After that, you'll reach the part where you describe your business. This step is especially important because the AI uses your description to generate content and layout suggestions for your website. Try to be clear and specific about what your business offers, who it serves, and the overall tone you want. The better your description, the more useful the AI-generated results will be. When you're done, click Continue and follow the prompts on your screen. From there, GoDaddy's AI will guide you through the remaining setup and help generate your website for you. Take your time as you go through each prompt. Review the suggestions carefully and make sure everything reflects your brand the way you want it to. That's how to build a website with AI in GoDaddy.